Good evening, students. So, differential equation, last subtopic, linear differential equation. First part homogeneous, second part linear differential equation. So, before starting the class, I have written entire concept. The linear differential equation will be divided into two parts. One is the question which is in the form of dy by dx plus py equal to q. The another format is dx by dy. This is dy by dx. This is dx by dy plus rx PQ. This is RX PQ RS. RX equal to S. So IF integrating factor. The formula for the general solution is Y integrating factor equal to Q integrating factor. So integrating factor na E power la integrate PDX. Idhukku per da integrating factor. General solution, particular solution. General solution. Y E power la integral PDX equal to Q E power la integral PDX. Veliya or integral symbol plus C. For example, dy by dx plus 2y equal to sin y. Solve nu குடுத்திருக்காங்க. இது எந்த ஃபார்மட்ல இருக்கு? dy by dx plus py equal to q ஃபார்மட்ல இருக்கு. p க்கு பதிலா coefficient of y என்னது 2. அடுத்து q க்கு பதிலா equal என்ன இருக்கோ அதான் sin y. இந்த क्वेश्चनல x equal to kx, y equal to ky போட்டினா கண்டிப்பா क्वेश्चनல கேன்சல் ஆகாது. k வந்து சஸ்டெயின் ஆகும். k சஸ்டெயின் ஆச்சுனா ஹோமோஜெனியஸ் கிடையாது. ஹோமோஜெனியஸ் இல்லனா கண்டிப்பா அது என்னவா தான் இருக்கணும்? லீனியரா தான் இருக்கணும். Think in that way. Second pattern, dx by dy into dy by dx rx integrating factor e power la inga pdx na inga e power la r dy general solution அப்படியே alphabets மாறும் y க்கு பதிலா இங்க x வரும் e power la pdx e power la r dy equal to q equal to அப்புறம் q இருக்கு இங்க equal to அப்புறம் என்ன இருக்கு s e power la pdx e power la r dy இங்க dx னா இங்க dy plus c அதேதான் x into negating factor s into negating factor. Example, dx by dy minus x by y equal to 3y. x உடைய coefficient r. இங்க x உடைய coefficient minus 1 by y. That is said to be r. Equal to என்ன இருக்கோ அதான் s. Coefficient of x is this pattern. Coefficient of y is the first pattern. 75 to 85% first pattern வரும். And this one is remaining 25% in the second pattern வரும். This is the introduction to the linear differential equations. Step number 1, identify the pattern. Step number 2, find the integrating factor. Step number 3, normal variable separable method or whatever the integrations is going to be easy for you. Okay, I'll move on to the exercise 9.6 first sum. So the entire pattern I given you. You have to identify dy by dx or dx by dy. Question பார்த்தோம்னா question they won't give you solve the LDE, solve the HDE. கொஞ்சம் பொறுமையா தான் சால்வ் பண்ணனும். Through continuous practice you will get a lot of ideas. First question, dy by dx. Exercise 9.6, dy upon dx plus 2y equal to sin x. So first எந்த பேட்டர்ன்ல இருக்குது? rough columnல wherever x comes kx, wherever y comes ky, மைண்ட்ல போட்டு பாரு. இங்க 2 into ky, இங்க sin into kx. அப்ப k cancel ஆகாது. We cannot, k will not vanish. Will not vanish. அப்ப கண்டிப்பா it is not homogeneous differential equation. Homogeneous இல்லனா come back to the linear. dy by dx plus py equal to q formatல இருக்கு. q இப்ப coefficient p க்கு பதிலா 2, q க்கு பதிலா sin x. Integrating factor equal to e power la pdx. அப்ப நான் e power la 2 dx. So e power la 2 வெளிய எடுத்து dx. dx பண்ணா e power 2x. அடுத்தது find the general solution formula. y e power la pdx q e power la pdx into dx plus c. So y e power la pdx க்கு என்ன இருக்கு? e power 2x. q க்கு பதிலா what is the q? q க்கு பதிலா sin x. e power pdx க்கு பதிலா so e power la pdx க்கு பதிலா e power 2x. So how to integrate? So this is your I. So therefore equation number 1 I. So I equal to e power 2x sin x integration பண்ண உங்களுக்கு ஏற்கனவே கத்து குடிச்சாச்சு. bypass methodலாம் போட்டு ஃபைனலா உங்களுக்கு இந்த மாதிரி ஆன்சர் வரும். So they asked you to find out general only, right? So general onlyனா எல்லாமே ஃபைனலா போட்டு you will get an answer. இத வந்து I'll leave up to you. The answer is e power 2x upon 5 e power 2x by parts use பண்ணி போடணும். e power 2x upon 5 2 sin x minus cos x. 2 sin x minus cos x. This is your I. Therefore, substitute panna. Final answer y e power 2x equal to e power 2x upon 5 2 sin x minus cos x plus c is your general. Particular na x kum y kum numbers kuthirupanga. So kavalapadada. Second sum. Easiest method. dy upon dx plus 3y. dy by dx plus 3y is equal to e power minus 2x. Step number 1. Homogeneous illaya. X equal to kx, y equal to kx. Appo k will not vanish. K will not vanish. Apana it is not homogeneous. Now you guys will be asking me, how come k will not vanish? Ama, inga ky podu, kx podu. K cancel panna mudiyadhu. Therefore, this is in the format of dy upon dx plus py equal to q. Compare the coefficient. P oda value 3. Q ku badala e power minus 2x. Therefore, integrating factor e power la p dx. E power la p dx na enna varum? E power la 3 dx. So e power la 3 dx apana x. General solution. Y e power la p dx integration q e power la p dx into dx. Substitute the value, the mere substitution. So mere substitution you may get y e power la p dx ka answer enna irukku nama kitta y e power 3x equal to q ku badala e power minus 2x e power 3x into dx. Now y e power 3x equal to base same ஆந்தா power add பண்ணிக்கலாம். அப்ப e power x. E power x integration பண்ணா e power x plus c. Question number 3. dy by dx plus y secant x is equal to tan x. Okay va? So கண்டிப்பா homogeneous கிடையாது. X equal to kx, y equal to ky போட்டினா கண்டிப்பா k vanish ஆகாது, sustain ஆகும். அப்போ homogeneous கிடையாது, linear. அப்போ dy by dx plus py equal to q. P y உடைய coefficient secant x. Q equal to அப்புறம் என்ன இருக்கும்? அதான் q. Step number 2. Integrating factor e power la p dx e power la secant x. Secant x integration பண்ணா I hope so log secant x plus tan x. E log same on the cancel ஆயிடும். Therefore secant x plus tan x, that is your integrating factor. So maximum இந்த மெத்தட்ல e பவர்ல வரும், அதனால ரொம்ப உனக்கு ஈஸியா முடிஞ்சிரும். So அதனால e பவர் log வந்துச்சுனாவே cancel ஆயிடு remaining. ஓகேவா? So for integrating factor முடிஞ்சிச்சு. General solution. General y e power la p dx is equal to integral q e power la p dx into dx. Y e power p dx or answer, that is secant x plus tan x is equal to integration q ku badala, where is q? Q ku badala tan x into e power la p dx again secant x plus tan x into dx. Left side ஒண்ணுமே பண்ணாத, right side integration பண்ணு. Right side உள்ள multiply பண்ணு. Secant x tan x plus tan square x. Father plus mother. Father integration பண்ணா தனித்தனியா போடு. That is secant x tan x integration பண்ணா என்ன வரும்? Tan square x 10th standardல secant square x minus 1 பிரிக்கலாம். If finally I got secant x tan x integrate பண்ணா secant x secant square தனித்தனியா பண்ணு. Secant square x integrate பண்ணா tan x 1 integration பண்ணா x. Left sideல y times secant x plus tan x. Check பண்ணுங்க பொறுமையா. So normal integrations. Question number 5. For all the sums I am writing the formula. In spite of my answer paining, I am writing, no problem. So question number 5. Cos square x dy by dx. Question number 5. Cos square x dy by dx plus y is equal to tan x. Is it homogeneous? X equal to kx, y equal to ky. So kx, ky cancel ஆகாது. So linear. But linear க்கு என்ன patternல வரணும்? dy by dx plus py equal to q. dy by dx க்கு முன்னாடி in front of dy by dx nothing should be there. But இங்க என்ன இருக்கு? cos square x. அப்போ divided by cos square x. First divided by cos square x. அப்பனா dy by dx cos square x ஆல I have divided both the side. And in front of dy by dx nothing should be there. Finally I got dy by dx plus secant square x y equal to this is 1 by cos square x now, secant square x into tan x. Therefore p equal to secant square x, q equal to secant square x into tan x. Okay, so finally general solution y e power la p dx equal to q e power la p dx into dx. Substitution y e power I have not even found the integrating factor, right? So I should not go for general. Step number 1, integrating factor e power la p dx. அப்பனா e power la p க்கு பதிலா என்ன போடணும்? secant square x dx. secant square x integrate பண்ணா என்ன வரும்? tan x, e power tan x. இதுதான் உங்களுடைய integrating factor. Therefore general formula என்ன சொன்னோம்? y e power la p dx, q e power la p dx. Easy to keep in your mind. y இதுக்கு வந்து e power la tan x integrating factor. q க்கு பதிலா என்ன போடணும்? q க்கு பதிலா secant square x into tan x, e power la tan x into dx. Normal integrations. There are 7 exercises. Okay, you have 7 exercises in your hand. Integration chapter 7.1, 7.2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in the t nirtha, let t equal to tan x apana dt upon dx equal to secant square x upon dt upon secant square x equal to dx. Substitute panna, you will get secant square x t e power t dx க்கு பதிலா dt upon secant square x. So t e power t dt. உனக்கு t e power t பண்ண தெரியலையா? x e power x னு imagine பண்ணிக்க. So if you are unable to do t e power t னா உன் மைண்ட்ல x e power x. அப்ப by parts, isolate, algebraic, exponential, udv formula. So இத நீயே பண்ணலாம். So udv formula நீ பண்ணினா you will get, so u equal to x, dv equal to e power x, du by dx equal to 1, v equal to e power x. So u dv equal to uv minus integral v du. So uv x e power x minus e power x dx. So x e power x minus e power x. Wherever x comes t podipa. So t e power t minus e power t. Okay, wherever t comes, finally tan x e power la tan x minus e power la tan x. This is your integration. Left side la y e power tan x இருக்கு. y e power tan x substitute பண்ணு. Then e power tan x common எடுத்து cancel பண்ணா you will get the answer. Question number 5 completed. Question number 6. dx dy by dx, x dy upon dx plus 2y equal to x square log x. Okay, so I already told you that it is homogeneous or not. X, kx, ky, common are cancel agadu. So it is not a homogeneous. So linear differential equation na dy by dx in front of coefficient nothing should be there. அப்ப மொத்தமா divided by x. அப்ப நான் dy by dx plus divided by x போட்டினா x square ஒரு x cancel ஆயிடும் மொத்தமா divided by x. Now p equal to 2 by x, q equal to x log x, coefficient of p, okay, coefficient of y. So now integrating factor e power la p dx, e power la 2 into 1 by x dx, so e power la 2 log x, e power la log x square, எதனால power m log n na log n to the power n, e power la log x square, e power log e log vanda x square. This is your integrating factor. Now general y e power p dx, q e power p dx into dx. Now y integrating factor x square, q ku badala in place of q x log x, e power la x, e power mottama e power integrating factor another x square into dx. So finally I got x cube log x dx, again by parts, isolate x cube log x, algebraic logarithmic. So algebraic logarithmic பண்ணீனா final answer உனக்கு இந்த மாதிரி வரும் log x x power 4 by 4 log x power 4 upon 4 log x minus x power 4 upon 16 minus x power 4 upon 16 plus c, inga right side la y x square. So this is your part. Okay, you guys can do that's using by parts. Let finish it off. Now question number 6 I completed. Question number 7. So question number 7 is like this: x log x dy by dx. Question number 7: x log x dy by dx plus y equal to 2 upon x log x. X log x dy by dx plus y equal to 2 upon x log x. Now homogeneous, check homogeneous. Kx, k will not cancel. Therefore, divided by x log x on both the side. So dy by dx equal to 1 upon x log equal to rather plus 1 upon x log xy equal to 2 by x log x. Both the side I divided by x log x. Okay va? ஏன்னா dy by dx முன்னாடி எதுவுமே இருக்கக்கூடாது. Finally this came in the pattern of dy by dx plus py equal to q. P y ஓட coefficient 1 upon x log x, q equal to அப்புறம் என்ன இருக்கோ அதான். இங்க இது x by 1 இருக்கு, reciprocal எடுத்தா 1 by x, அப்ப 2 by x square. Integrating factor now integrating factor e power la p dx, therefore e power la p க்கு பதிலா 1 upon x log x. So e power la 1 upon x can I write like this? இதனால எந்த மாற்றமும் வர போறதில்ல. So denominator differentiate பண்ணா numerator வருது. So e power log of denominator, அப்போ e power la log of denominator log of log x, e power log போச்சுனா remaining will be integrating factor is log x. இன்னொரு தடவை சொல்லி தரேன். 1 by x மேல போட்ட next denominator differentiate பண்ணா numerator வருது, அப்ப log of denominator e log வந்தா vanish ஆயிடும், denominator value log x. Now particulars, that is general y e power la p dx integration q e power la p dx into dx. So integrating factor y, இது மொத்தமா integrating factor என்ன வந்திருக்கு log x equal to q க்கு பதிலா 2 upon x square, integrating factor க்கு பதிலா log x dx. So again by parts. So in this exercise many by parts is coming. So by parts, so 2 over you can take it outside, or this is again by parts, isolate ILATE. Okay, log L is coming first, arithmetic is coming second. So upper u equal to log x dv equal to 2 by x square. Now your part, you guys has to do the by parts. I already told you that. Then if you apply the by parts, the 7th question answer will be like this: 2 into minus 2 by x minus 2 by x 1 plus log x plus c. UdV formula, integration UdV equal to uv minus integral v du. That 7.7 exercise. Why I am skipping that particular step is, at least that step you can write. Remaining everything I am giving you idea, sum, entire sum and solving. At least that by parts you can solve on your own and find out the solution. Okay. Now question number 8. So totally in this exercise we have 19 sums. So question number 8. 1 plus x square into dy. Question number 8. 1 plus x square into dy plus 2xy into dx is equal to cot x dx. 1 plus x square into dy is plus 2xy dx equal to cot x dx. Homogeneous? No, it is not homogeneous. K will sustain. Now you have to find out dy by dx pattern only, right? So take the 2xy right side. So 1 plus x square into dy is equal to cot x dx minus 2xy dx. So 1 plus x square dy equal to dx a common adithina. I get cot x minus 2xy. Next, dx this side. Dy by dx is equal to cot x minus 2xy upon 1 plus x square. Now father upon child, mother upon child. So dy upon dx is equal to father cot x 2xy upon 1 plus x square. Now take to this side. So dy upon dx minus comes this side now. It will become positive. See how I am segregating the pattern, linear differential equation pattern. I repeat again. Dy by dx equal to first one dx at the left side kondu vandita, cot x minus 2xy upon right side la, then father upon child, mother upon child, then left side. Why I am taking is the coefficient of y. Coefficient of y is p. So segregate the p value. So coefficient of y is p. 2x upon 1 plus x square, q equal to cot x upon 1 plus x square. So integrating factor is e power la p dx. So e power la 2x upon 1 plus x square dx. Denominator differentiate upon numerator varudhu. Therefore I dot f equal to e power log of denominator. E log vanduchina cancel ayirum. Thence general y e power la p dx is equal to q e power la p dx into dx. Finally I got y. Integrating factor by na polna 1 plus x square. Q ku badala in place of q ku badala cot x upon 1 plus x square. Integrating factor badala 1 plus x square. Cancel it. So y into 1 plus x square equal to cot x integration panna log sin x plus c. Now question number so I'll meet in the next video. That question number 8 question number 1 to 8 I have completed. Now question number 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I'll meet you in the next video. Okay, so thanks a lot. Practice is the only way. Practice sincerely, sure you will get idea.